In this video, we will discuss Code of Honor. This Code of Honor is like a safety net to protect you from what I call a paradox of success. Once you have mastered the system and become a consistent profitable trader, you will be your greatest enemy. Because once you have followed the process and achieved the status of successful or a consistent profitable trader, there is a great possibility that you may become overconfident. You may overestimate your abilities, you may ignore the warning signs given by the market and disregard the risk management. Due to your ego, you may forget that you are not making the money, but the system, the discipline, and the rules that you are following is actually making the money, and you may not take rash decisions due to your false sense of having cracked the code. There are chances that the traders may deviate from their proven methods and subconsciously attract the losses. This code of honor will remind you to stay grounded and disciplined even after achieving great success. So let's see them one by one. And the first one is the gratitude, and the most important. I cultivate a daily practice of gratitude, acknowledging and appreciating the blessings and abundance in my life, including the trading and learning opportunities provided to me by market and mentors. Markets are highly uncertain, and acknowledging the opportunities and the blessings will create a mindset of abundance, which is very crucial for navigating smoothly in uncertain markets. Step by step, day by day, I will embrace the concept of step by step progress, understanding that each small action and learning contributes to my overall success as a trader. Embracing the concept of gradual progress is extremely important. It shows the importance of consistency and continuous learning, and recognizing that success in trading is not an overnight achievement. Compounding. I will let the time work its magic. I recognize the power of exponential growth and commit to taking action that contributes to my long term success in the areas of wealth, health, finances, relationship, business, and spiritual life. We recognize the power of compounding not only for finances but across all the aspects of life. Freedom. I will strive to make myself capable enough to live and run this trading business from anywhere in the world. This commitment to financial capability implies liberation from a rigid structure of a traditional 9 to 5 job. It is about freeing oneself from the time constraint, routines, and job going mentality. Charity. By engaging in charity giving, I actively exercise my giving muscle, which subsequently strengthens my ability to receive with genuine gratitude and liberates me from any lingering scarcity mindset. It is important to contribute positively to the society in the causes you believe in, and it will free you from this scarcity mindset. Habits. I will develop and maintain empowering habits that supports my growth as a consistent profitable trader, incorporating discipline, routine, continuous learning, and self-improvement practices into my daily life. All these points highlight the importance of a holistic approach to a personal development and success as a consistent profitable trader. So we as a member of this community, Consistent Profitable Traders Club, respect this code of honor for our own safety and our sustained growth. In the next video, we will help you understand the various systems of Financial Freedom Academy 108 so that you can make the best use of this platform and have a seamless learning experience. See you in the next video.